Kumusta ka na? Matagal tayong hindi nakikita. Well, I'm just around if you need a friend or if you need a buddy. Well, just call me, alright?
Sana po, lagi po kayong mag-iingat para po walang mangyari masama sa inyo. God bless po. Take care. Thank you po.
Wishing you all the best. May this year be just as exciting, but more fruitful, because we are here in a fruitless press con. More fruitful and just more meaningful for you. We'll be in Australia this December, so I hope to see you there. Okay, bye!
Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal kita, sis. And I'll always support you in everything that you do. May it be a beauty contest, may it be mga nights mo, kung ano mang kalokohan mo. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yung sinasabi ko. So I wish you so much love, so much happiness. Love life mo. Lahat ng mga life mo, wini-wish ko happy ka doon. You know, I will always be here to support you and I love you so much.
Ang layo mo. Sana magkita tayo in the future, and thank you for your support din. Tama ba? And ayun, good luck sa buhay and stay happy.
Sana mas marami pang blessings ang dumating sa'yo.